Oh wow, kids! Today, we are going to introduce you to lots of amazing animals and beautiful birds from all around the world. Before we start this awesome video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational adventures. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Now get ready, stay excited, and let's begin this amazing journey together. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Pandas are excellent climbers. They can climb trees to escape predators or rest. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Lionesses use teamwork and strategy. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Their big ears also help them stay cool by releasing heat. Monkeys are highly intelligent and use tools, such as sticks to catch insects or rocks to crack nuts. Monkeys communicate with facial expressions, body language, and sounds. Some species even groom each other to strengthen friendships and remove bugs. Vultures mainly eat dead animals, helping keep the environment clean and stopping the spread of diseases. Their featherless heads help keep them clean when feeding inside carcasses. Some species, like the Andean condor, have wingspans over 10 feet, 3 meters. Vultures can digest harmful bacteria and toxins that would make other animals sick. Black swans have black feathers, a bright red beak, and white wingtips that are visible during flight. Adult black swans can grow up to 1.3 meters, 4.3 feet long, with a wingspan of 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Black swans live near lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Pelicans have a long beak with a stretchy throat pouch that they use to catch fish, like a built-in net. Despite their size, they are graceful flyers and can glide long distances without flapping much. Pelicans are strong swimmers thanks to their webbed feet. Eagles are birds of prey, raptors, strong hunters with sharp eyesight and talons. Eagles have incredible vision, up to 8 times sharper than human eyesight. Eagles can see ultraviolet light, helping them detect traces and movements of prey. Eagles have strong, hooked beaks to tear meat easily. Seagulls eat almost anything: fish, insects, small animals, human food scraps, and even garbage. Despite their name, seagulls can also live far inland, especially near landfills and cities. They often live and feed in large groups called colonies, especially during breeding season. Seagulls are very vocal birds and use different calls to warn, communicate, and attract mates. Wow, kids! It was such an exciting journey exploring their world together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and family. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.